Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get it all done. I have so many things that I have to get done today. I need to place a grocery order and have that delivered. I need to do a meal plan. I need to scrub the bathroom. So I have a checklist a mile long and I'm just gonna go through it with y'all, see how much stuff I can get checked off, but I am starving and I have been craving some Subway. So we ran to Subway. I got a teriyaki chicken sandwich. Fun fact, I used to work at Subway all through high school and college. A lot of y'all already know that, but I loved it and I would go work there right now if I could. I loved working at Subway so much. But anyways, I'm gonna eat my sandwich and drink my Diet Coke and then we're gonna get busy.
It's 9 in the city and I'm on my way back home, humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Let's see where this all might lead. Waking up to a brand new day in between your sheets, breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. Ooh, but then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new. A world more exciting than mine is holding up a great big welcoming sign. Life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead.
If I have a super busy day and I need to get a lot of things done around the house, I will create a schedule on Oliver's PawPal. He loves this because it's his own digital pet. It helps kids complete daily tasks because as they finish, their pet grows, levels up, and unlocks tons of new content and more PawPals. We also have recurring alarms for bedtime, brushing teeth, things like that. And he can feed his PawPal, he can give it a bath, and more. There's over 50 interactions available. He can also DIY his own PawPal space. And if he taps the top left button, he can access 400 plus stories, music, and learning content. And then when it's bedtime, it can even tell him bedtime stories or play relaxing music. I can customize those settings and alarms on the parental control app on my phone. And there's also a great night light too that you can change the color on. Check the link in my description box to learn more about the Think Academy PawPal virtual pet alarm. And follow Think Academy on Instagram too for the latest updates, exciting giveaways, and more. Thank you so much to Think Academy for sponsoring today's video.
Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind, or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't.
Oh my gosh, y'all. These are the most massive zucchini I have ever seen in my life. They look like farm grown or something. This is Walmart. That's crazy.
Like lines in the sand. Some people that put their faith into someone who's half their age, reading from a torn out page from a book filled with lies. But I don't know what to do. I'm staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Someday certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't know.
These bananas are massive. So what is going on? These are organic. So I don't know why everything is so big.
Be forgotten like dust in the wind, or the talk of the town that we are living in. Well, I don't know. No, I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grand master plan?
I brought our meal plan over here on the table so you could see it a little bit better, but Sunday we're doing baked spaghetti. Monday is that chicken and rice casserole recipe from the Campbell's website. So easy, so good. Tuesday is Sloppy Joe's, Wednesday is chicken and dumplings, Thursday is breakfast, and then Friday and Saturday we'll usually just eat out or order in pizza. So that's the plan for this week. Okay, grocery haul of the week. We've got a big one this week because we ran out of a lot of stuff all at the same time. Let's start over here. We've got our Fresca and our Diet Coke. We always get those every week. Usually it's Coke Zero, but they were all out today, so we got Diet Coke. We've got a gallon of whole milk. We've got our iced coffee. We've got all of our fruit. Annie Kate loves raspberries right now. She was hooked on blackberries for a long time, and now she likes raspberries. We've got blueberries and strawberries. We've got an 18-pack of eggs. We have been loving these. Even Will likes them. He usually doesn't like cherry tomatoes, so they're called Sweet Thrills. Delicious with eggs in the morning, so we picked those up. We've got some Honeycrisp apples, aroma tomato, purple onion, some potatoes. Oliver and Annie Kate both love a baked potato, so we stocked up on that. We've got some more vegetable oil. We've got some cottage cheese. I like to have that in the morning too, or on a snack plate. Stocked up on the butter because we've been out of butter for the past 2 days. I picked up some baby Cetaphil, the wash and shampoo, and the lotion for Annie Kate and also Oliver, but Annie Kate has really sensitive skin, so I'm hoping that works really well for her. I love to have a little fresh baby that smells good out of the bath, and most of the sensitive stuff is unscented, but this is scented. It's just all natural, so hopefully that works really good for her. I picked up some more of my Mike's Hot Honey almonds. These are the perfect snack. They're so good if you like hot stuff because they are a little bit spicy, but they're delicious. We've got our Crisco for making chicken and dumplings this week. I have been in the mood for soup, so that's when you know fall is coming. I've been pinning all of the soups on Pinterest, getting really excited for that. We picked up some more Peet's coffee. This is the best coffee ever, the Big Bang. I've told you all that before, but we're about to make a cup of coffee right now, even though it is literally 100 degrees outside. But it's just so good. And then I also found my coffee creamer. Oh, it's over here. I forgot to tell y'all. I picked it up. I told y'all this last year, but the brown butter, is it focusing? The brown butter coffee creamer from Coffee Mate is amazing. It's the best coffee creamer on the planet, but they don't have it year round. So I was really excited to see that. We're gonna make a cup of coffee here in just a second. We've got our hot Grillo's pickles. Always have to keep those on hand. Some Nathan's hot dogs. Will loves hot dogs. I don't know what it is, so I picked those up for him. We've got some Cajun turkey breast. I get that every week for sandwiches. We've got a huge thing of the applesauce pouches for Oliver because he loves those. We're gonna do a simple Sloppy Joe night this week. We've got some peas, some Prego for our baked spaghetti night, some sweet carrots, or sliced carrots, some grape jelly. We've got our romaine for the week. It comes with 3, and we use those for salads and just for sandwiches and stuff. We've got some Italian style meatballs for our baked spaghetti. And we've got some apple juice for Annie Kate and Oliver. We've got some barbecue chips, some macaroni and cheese, a green pepper, some massive zucchinis. I do not know what is up with that. Those are huge. And then we've got some hamburger buns, hot dog buns, sliced Colby Jack cheese for sandwiches. I picked these up again. Oops. They're so good though. The double stuffed elf fudge cookies. We all love those. The cheese hedge string, we gotta get that every week. Mozzarella cheese for our baked spaghetti. Capri Suns for Oliver. Bow tie noodles for our baked spaghetti. White rice for our chicken and rice night. We've got some mini wheats. It's been a while since we got those. Some dishwasher soap. They had a really good deal on that today. That's why I got that one. We've got some Huggies diapers and wipes. And then I remembered there's like something going on with Huggies diapers right now with like chemicals or something. So let me know down below if you know anything about that. But we haven't had any trouble so far. I got some more Dawn dish soap spray. This is the lemon one. They have a new one right now for summertime, and it's watermelon. If you see it, get it. It is amazing. It smells so good. And then for meat this week, we've got 2 pounds of ground beef, some hickory smoked bacon, and then a big thing of chicken breast. I like to cut that up and freeze it, and then some toilet paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this put away, and then we'll move on.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than...
I'm just about done, but these are all of our empties or expireds out of the pantry. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the trash bag, and it's perfect timing because tomorrow is trash day.
It's for living. Let's see where the I'm back again on the street. Ooh, but then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in a way so new, a world more exciting than mine.
Okay, my house is very chaotic right now. We're about to leave for church. We have a kids VBS going on this week. And it's like in an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm gonna throw in a really easy dinner before we go. It's gonna be the Campbell's chicken and rice recipe. I've shared this before, we love it. My mom made it growing up and it's just so easy and so delicious. So what you do is you pop some rice and water and cream of mushroom soup in the bottom of a baking dish, and then you lay your chicken breasts on top, sprinkle salt, pepper, paprika, garlic if you want it, and then cover it with foil and you bake it at 375 for like 30-45 minutes, and it is seriously delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this together. Okay, here's a quick little mom hack. Annie Kate loves K-Cups. If I give her this little thing of K-Cups, I have like at least 5 minutes to make dinner.
Oh, why? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. I said life is for living. Let's see where.
I probably should have thought about this before I doubled the recipe, but I don't have 2 cans of the cream of mushroom, so we're gonna try it with just 1. And dad time. Okay, I do have a cream of chicken, so we're gonna try to mix this and I'll let you know how it goes.
Yeah, that's good. What's wrong, baby? You want one out of there?